Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair oil that can help to strengthen your hair as well as promote healthy hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the main ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be papaya seeds, and I have half a cup of papaya seeds. Papaya seeds come from an orange and green fruit known more commonly as papaya. It tastes sweet and has a soft texture that many find appealing. The seeds are also edible, although they're more bitter than the fruit itself. Papaya are originally from Central America. The benefits of papaya seeds are that they contain a protein called papain, which strengthens the hair and encourages fast and healthy hair growth. Also, papaya seeds contain antifungal properties, which in turn ward off and prevent dandruff. Also, papaya seeds contain folic acid and vitamin C, which both helps to improve blood circulation throughout the body, including the scalp. The scalp is fed the nutrients and minerals that are needed to produce healthy hair growth and stimulate the glands. Also, the sebum that is produced nourishes, conditions, and protects the scalp, providing a healthy environment for new growth to flourish. Also, I have 1 cup of sunflower oil. You can use any carrier oil that you would like. So now I'm just going to place the papaya seeds into a blender so I can grind them up into a powder form. So when it comes to these papaya seeds, I actually got them from the papaya fruit. I went ahead and removed them from the papaya fruit, and then I went and rinsed them off to make sure there was no pulp on them, and then I placed them onto a napkin, and then I placed it in front of a window that had the most sunlight, and then I waited a couple of days until the papaya seeds actually dried out. Now, I believe there might be some actual papaya seed powder. If so, I'll have it linked down in the description box. Now I'm going to take the papaya seed powder and place it into a mason jar. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of sunflower oil. Sunflower oil acts as a natural moisturizer because it contains several vitamins and minerals, including high levels of vitamin E that produces healthy hair growth. Also, sunflower oil contains omega-9 acids, known to be one of the essential acids that are needed to help stop hair breakage and stimulate healthy hair growth. So I'm just going to shake up the jar a bit just to make sure that the powder and the oil are mixed very well. Next, I'm going to be placing the mason jar into a pot of warm water. The stove is set in between medium to low heat, which is about 100 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you choose not to do the stove option, you can also do the same method using a crock pot. And then also, if you choose not to use heat whatsoever, you can also do the cold infusion process, which is you'll just leave the mason jar on a countertop or in a cabinet, and you'll just let it infuse for about 2 to 4 weeks. So after about 2 hours, I went ahead and removed the mason jar from the warm water and I let it cool down. Now, if you want, you can have the infusion process be longer than 2 hours. I would suggest not going over 5 hours. So now I'm just going to strain the oil so that way I could place the oil into an applicator bottle so that way it's easier to apply to the hair. You can use this oil several different ways. One way that you can use it is by adding a couple of teaspoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner and then applying the conditioner all over your hair. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour or however long you keep your deep conditioner in, and then rinse out as usual. Or you can place the oil all over your hair and scalp as a hot oil treatment and then just let it sit on your hair for about 30 minutes and then you can shampoo it out. And also you can use it as a scalp oil. Just apply it all over your scalp like you would do any hair growth oil. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Also make sure that you do a patch test on your skin so that way you can ensure that you won't get any irritations on your scalp. Also, the last way that you can use this oil is by using it as a sealant. So after you applied a leave-in cream or butter or maybe a leave-in spray, you could go ahead and use this oil to seal in the moisture. The shelf life of this oil is about 8 to 12 months. Make sure that you keep it in a dry, cool area of your home.
Right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, babe.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.